Did you know that Xiaomi not only makes smartphones and televisions but also those rice cookers, this electric bike, a robot, a pen, glasses, and a whole lot of cool things? Well, if you didn't, then now you can experience them all at the Mi Home Experience Store in Delhi. This is Xiaomi's third experience store in India, the company's second largest market after China. The Mi Home Experience Store will display the company's entire lineup of products that are not necessarily available in the country. The Mi Home Experience Store will showcase the Mi Home Thermostat Electric Kettle, Mi Electric Scooter, Mi Rice Cooker, Mi Smart Scale, 9-Bot Mini, among other products, the company said. These are among Xiaomi's offering for smart homes and are designed for compatibility with Mi fans. In addition, the Mi water purifier effectively removes antibiotics, scale, bacteria and heavy metals and provides clean drinkable water. Other products on display at the Mi Home Experience Store include the Mi Home Thermostat Electric Kettle, which has a triple inmate electrical protection design that safeguards from electrical shorts and leakages. The Mi Vacuum Cleaner was also on the display, the smart cleaning device that uses 12 sensor to navigate through your home as it cleans. The Mi Home Experience Center in Delhi, housed over 2 floors, will also be home to health-based smart devices. Of late, Xiaomi has been expanding its retail footprint in India, where it has already opened 36 Mi Home Store already. The company aims to expand this number further during this year.